replay. Let me see if we can recognize anybody behind Lindsay. Who are those people?
They seem good, and we heard Derek McKenzie talk about what they need to do.
Hey guys, good morning. Brad here, Nelson Ridge Farm. Good to see you. Hey, we got another wood chip delivery. Got the baby dump trailer and some wood chips, and the tractor warming up to load over to one town over. So I'll load up and take it. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, the old Workmaster started good today. It's about 45 degrees, so I just let her warm up. All right, good load of wood chips. Amazing customers, easy access, easy to get along with. They had Chihuahuas. Great delivery. All right, thank y'all very much. Appreciate you watching.